Yes, my name is Dr. Cassandre Davis. I serve as the Equity Instructional Facilitator for Broward County Public Schools. I believe we are the current 6th largest school district in the country. Mr. Augustin worked with us in creating a course called Haitian Heritage, which many people were proud recipients of the wonderful information that he shared, because this was a class that we hadn't done previously, but of course was needed for our students in our community. And he came in, gave us the ideas, created the entire presentation, and then he was the keynote for every single time we did this presentation. So he worked with us, I believe it was about 6 to 7 months, where he presented at least one time a month to an audience of 30 to 40 teachers. And he gave information, he gave tools, he made sure that he provided follow-up. And a lot of the follow-up information was the textbooks that he also has written. And teachers found it very, very helpful to have information written in Creole as well as English, because we serve a lot of students who are ELL students, where English is their second language. They are English language learners. So we appreciated not only his compassion, his vulnerability, his authenticity in the information that he presented, but that he was available and a willing participant to support our teachers.